How to play Spotify through your mic. First of all, in your device, make sure that you have installed the Spotify application through the web browser or through the Microsoft Store. And once you have completely installed the Spotify application, log into your account. So after you have installed the Spotify, you have to open up the Spotify and then click on your profile icon. Now click on settings. Once you're on the settings, scroll down a bit and under your library, make sure to turn on the toggle that says show local files. So once you have turned this, now you can minimize the Spotify. Then you have to install the microphone in your device. Once the installation of your microphone is complete, now again you have to install the voice meter. So for that, open up a browser in your device. And in the search bar, search for voice meter and click on the first link on your interface that says VV Audio Voice Meter. Click and open it up. So from this menu bar, choose Voice Meter and scroll down a bit. Now, on the Voice Meter Virtual Audio Mixer, you have to download this zip file. And once the download of the zip file is complete, go to your downloads, open up your zip file and extract the application from there. And then you can install the application in your device. So install the application. Now once the application is installed, you can open up Voice Meter in your device. After that, head towards your speaker settings on your mobile device and then click on the sound output. And here, make sure that you have chosen your Voice Meter as your sound output device in your device. And once you're there, now you can play around here to maximize or minimize this volume according to your preferences. And then you can play your Spotify with the mic. And that's how you can play Spotify with mic. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.